We're on the record in cause number 328266, the state of Texas versus Gerald Sterling. Mr. Sterling, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Sterling, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God? I can't hear you. It's on mute.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now, Mr. Sterling, please put your mask over your mouth and your nose. Oh, thank you, Mr. Sterling. Mr. Sterling, I'm going to go over the judge's explanation of rights to defendants without an attorney. As a defendant in a criminal case, you have three options. Number one, you may hire an attorney. Do you understand that? Number two, if you do not have enough money to hire an attorney, you may request an attorney to be appointed to represent you. Do you understand that?
All right.
Number three, you may represent yourself. Do you understand that?
Right.
Now, if you want an attorney to represent you and have enough money to hire an attorney, the case will be reset to give you time to do so. Do you understand?
Uh-huh.
If you want an attorney and do not have the money to hire one, you will need to fill out a financial questionnaire so that the proper person can determine whether or not to appoint an attorney to represent you. Do you understand that?
Right.
You may not speak to the prosecutor about your case unless you sign a written waiver of your right to be represented by an attorney. Do you understand that?
Uh-huh.
Be aware that there are dangers to self-representation. Waiving your right to an attorney and representing yourself may result in a worse outcome for you and your case, including the loss of significant legal rights and opportunities relating to military service, possession of a firearm, housing and public benefits, child custody, immigration status for non-citizens, and employment. Do you understand?
Right.
If you choose to proceed without an attorney, you may change your mind at any time and may request counsel from the court. Do you understand that?
Mm-hmm.
Now, Mr. Sterling, please say yes or no, because the court reporter is taking a record and she cannot, I guess, translate or no into the record. So please say yes or no. Do you understand me?
Yes.
All right, thank you. Now, Mr. Sterling, if your choice is, if your choice is you want your case to be reset to hire an attorney, please inform the court, and the court will reset your case to give you opportunity to hire an attorney. Now, if you already have an attorney hired, please inform the court, your case will be reset, and your attorney will be contacted. If your choice is you want to apply for court-appointed counsel, please inform the court, and the court will give you a financial questionnaire so that you can fill out to see if you qualify for a court-appointed attorney. Now, if you already have a court-appointed attorney in this case, please inform the court so that we can contact that attorney. Well, first of all, so that we can verify that you have a court-appointed attorney in this case, and then contact that attorney regarding your reset in your case. Now, if your choice is you want to waive your right to an attorney and represent yourself, you can just simply say so. Mr. Sterling, of your three options, what is your choice?
Represent myself.
Okay, now, Mr. Sterling, before you can talk to the prosecutor, you will be given a written waiver of your right. You would have to sign a written waiver of your right to be represented by an attorney. And that written waiver, Mr. Sterling, is on the misdemeanor plea admonishment in your case, and I will go over that with you. In this document, under the paragraph that says waivers, it states that I have been advised this day by the court of my right to representation by counsel in the case pending against me. I have been advised and understand that if I am determined to be indigent, counsel will be appointed to me free of charge. Understanding my right to have counsel appointed to me free of charge if I am found to be indigent, I wish to waive that right and request the court to proceed with my case without an attorney being appointed for me. I specifically waive my right to be represented by an attorney, to consult with an attorney before I give up these enumerated rights. It is my decision to represent myself, and I do so knowing the dangers and disadvantages of self-representation. I further elect not to request appointment of counsel. Now, Mr. Sterling, is that true?
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Sterling, the court will go into recess, give you an opportunity to talk to sign the waiver, and then you will have an opportunity to talk to the prosecutor about your case. The court will now be in